Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a FABFITFUN winter box. This is my first FABFITFUN box, so I'm very excited to see all the stuff inside. But before that, in case you haven't heard of FABFITFUN, it is a seasonal subscription box. They have box for summer, spring, fall, and winter. Each box contains 8 full-size products from fashion, beauty, fitness, tech, and lifestyle. And also each box is worth over $200, but you can just get it for $49.99. And when you use my code, which you can see on the screen and description box below, you can get an additional $10 off. So basically you'll just be paying $39.99 per box. FABFITFUN is available in the US, Canada, and UK. So let's go ahead and see what I got. It is a big box actually, and some snowflakes or snow prints on here, which is very cute. So we have here a FABFITFUN sticker, a coupon from Bright Sellers, another coupon from a meal kit company called HelloFresh, $80 off and free shipping on your first box, and this FABFITFUN magazine where you can see the prices of the products included in your box, tutorials, recipes, and many more. So now let's go to the 8 full-size products that I've mentioned earlier. First is this Daily Facial Dry Brush for radiant looking skin from Daily Concepts. This brush helps tone and firm skin while gently exfoliating and stimulating cellular turnover. For best results, incorporate it into your AM routine. Always use this brush on dry, freshly clean skin. Important note, do not wet the brush or you will damage it. So let's open this up. It is a wooden brush with nylon bristles. The bristles may look hard, but it is actually really soft. So when you use it on your face, it doesn't hurt. So after you use this brush, follow up it with a cleansing and moisturizing routine to help restore skin after your facial workout. And by the way, this brush is valued at $20, so let's take note of that because later we will be adding all the costs of these products. Next is this Tula Skincare Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. I like the pink packaging, it's so pretty. This one has 3 important ingredients, namely probiotics that help lock in moisture. Second is caffeine, gives the skin a tight and firm appearance. And rosehip, powerful antioxidant which protects the skin. This is also a cruelty-free product. You can apply it around the eye area for instant cooling and a rose glow. You can also use it under and over makeup as needed throughout the day for an instant pick-me-up. So this product, guys, is really amazing. It can help you get rid of those puffiness under your eyes and dark circles. It is very cooling and smells good too. So this eye balm costs $30. So the third one is this black liquid eyeliner from Estetica. I'm not really good at applying eyeliner, guys, but I guess this is the time that I should practice to get better at it. So this one costs $21. Next is this Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice 12 Well Eyeshadow Palette. Achieve warm daytime looks and yummy nighttime looks with 12 crisp-proof shades in 2 smooth finishes, velvety matte and shimmering suede. As you can see, it is in a white plastic case with a mirror. The shades in this palette are so pretty. It has 4 velvety matte shades and 8 shimmering suede shades. This palette retails for $45. And by the way, if you check the magazine, they have included an eyeshadow tutorial using the Laura Geller palette. Next, we have this Kate Spade Rise and Shine stud earrings, set of 2. It comes with this cute pink pouch. This is one of my favorite products in this box. They're very pretty. I just can't wait to wear them, and I think these earrings can go with every outfit. So this one costs $68, which costs more than the whole box that you will just pay for $39.99. Okay, so let's move on to the 6th item in the box. This crock card holder from the brand Below the Belt. It is made of vegan leather. It has 3 slits for your cards and gold zipper on the other side. It is a very cute and compact card holder that you can just bring wherever you go. And this one costs $35. Next item is this cutting board that comes in 4 pieces. It is non-slip, BPA free, and dishwasher safe. It is 4 inches by 10.8, so it's pretty big. It has hole on the other side so you can just hang it. This one retails at $19.95. And last but not the least is this LED vanity mirror from Impressions Vanity Company. So it is a high definition distortion free makeup mirror, soft touch sensor dimmer switch, long lasting daylight LED lights, and it has dual power source. So in the box there's a cable, 4 pieces AAA batteries, the mirror, the stand, and a manual. The nice thing about this mirror is you can power this up by batteries or just use the cable. And this one costs $45. So this is what the mirror looks like. Right now I'm using the AAA batteries. To turn the lights on, just tap the touch sensor on the mirror. And to adjust the brightness, just hold it down for 3 seconds. Very easy, right? So now I'm gonna use the charging cable to light up this mirror. So same thing, tap the touch sensor switch to turn on the LED light and hold down the touch sensor switch for 3 seconds to adjust the brightness. So now let's see how much is the total of all the products included in this box. So first we have the Daily Facial Dry Brush for $20, Tula Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm for $30, the Black Liquid Eyeliner for $21, Laura Geller Palette is for $45, Kate Spade Earrings is $68, Below the Belt Card Holder for $35, Cutting Board is $19.95, and lastly the LED Vanity Mirror for $45. And the total is $283.95. Wow, isn't that a good deal? All of these goodies here is worth $283.95, and you can just get them for $49.99, which is really amazing. And if you use my code, you can get $10 off, making it just $39.99 only per box. So make sure you use it. I will put it in my description box below and also their website. So guys, I highly recommend this to everyone. This is my first FABFITFUN box and I love it, and I'm sure you will. And take note, we are only a few weeks away from Christmas, so go ahead, go to their website, treat yourself, and get your box. This is a wonderful gift that you can give to someone for the holidays, like your mom, your wife, girlfriend, grandma, sister, or whoever. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider clicking that red button below so you won't miss any of my future uploads. So I'll see you on my next video, guys. Please keep safe. Bye.